Hello and welcome. I'm Dan George, here to talk to you about the benefits of the Medicare Beneficiary Identifier or MBI Lookup tool and how to use it. Did you know one of the most common causes of delays in reimbursement to providers is incorrect or terminated MBIs submitted on Medicare claims and notices? With all the confirmed and suspected instances of fraud, MBIs can change more often than you think. Your patient may have received a new Medicare card and MBI, but may have not shared it with you. This is where the MBI Lookup tool can help. Through our secure eServices online portal, you can use the tool to confirm an MBI is valid or find a beneficiary's new MBI. Using the tool is easy and provides quick results. Log into eServices and click on the MBI Lookup tab located in the header of the portal. Complete the required fields, which are identified with asterisks. Enter a beneficiary's last name, including spaces or special characters such as a hyphen. Enter the first name. Enter the date of birth in 2-digit day and month, 4-digit year format, then enter the Social Security number. Then click the Submit Inquiry button. If the inquiry is successful, the current MBI will be displayed at the bottom left of the screen. Terminated MBIs will not be displayed. Here's a great benefit and a real time saver. Once you successfully return an MBI, an eligibility button will appear that can take you directly to the beneficiary's eligibility page, and you will not have to repopulate their information. If your inquiry does not return an MBI, eServices will provide a message of which field you need to correct. The tool will also provide MBIs for deceased beneficiaries if the date of death was in the last 4 years. That concludes the video on the MBI Lookup tool. Please look out for other videos on additional eServices tools. Thank you.